The Capital City chapter of Muskies Inc. in Madison, Wisconsin invites you to attend their 12th annual Intermediate and Advanced Muskie School on March 16, 2013. This unique all-day training produces the most comprehensive muskie curriculum in the Midwest with over 33 1.5-hour classes on a wide variety of topics. When you attend, you'll never be bored. Although the school is designed for the experienced anglers, beginners and youth down to 8 years old are welcome to attend and can take the basic muskie fishing class. They will also enjoy the hands-on classes. Students under 16 must attend with an adult. The National Professional Anglers Association is also donating 25 rod and reel combinations for all kids 12 and under. The Muskie School is held at Waunakee High School in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This school has top-notch facilities, and we utilize the commons, the pool, performing arts center, small auditorium, and many classrooms. This facility allows us to offer classes on a variety of different bodies of water in Wisconsin and other states. Hands-on classes on reel maintenance and repair, making wooden lures, making bucktails and spinnerbaits, and repairing muskie rods. Classes are also conducted on boat setup, trolling, making wooden boats, sucker fishing, and using electronics. You can learn how to fish weed muskies, how to fish at night, fishing in the spring, and how to fish the Madison chain. The spacious pool allows us to offer classes on how to use a variety of baits and retrieves. Watching master muskie anglers make these lures come alive is a real treat. The early bird special is $34, with the price going up to $44 after March 11th, 2013. Youth 17 and under are $10. All proceeds go to scholarships for Waunakee High School students and also to stock muskies and fund research on the Madison Lakes. Vendors will be displaying their products, and all participants will receive a ticket when they turn in their evaluation for a door prize drawing at the end of the school. You can also buy tickets for our raffle and super raffle. You won't believe what we're going to give away. This school is an incredibly useful and affordable opportunity to help you become a better muskie angler and prepare for the 2013 season. For more detailed information, see www.capitalcitymuskiesinc.org or call Jeff Crandall at 608-219-0164 or email him at crandall@msbnrg.com.